We're celebrating number 5. Darien, beautiful, beautiful picture, and a happy birthday to you in Pittsburgh.
All right, I like all the rainbows on the tablecloth too. Fun. We've got Scarlett SCHIBI celebrating birthday number 5 as well. Look at that smile. She looks like she's up to something. Scarlett is in Parson. Birthday wish is coming with love from Mom.
Crew Burns celebrating the big number 5 as well. Sharp dressed dude right there. Happy birthday to Crew in St. Paul with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
All right, in Pittsburgh, Nova Brand celebrating birthday number 7 this year.
We've got one of the Brannins. It's Madison. Happy birthday, Miss Madison. She is turning 18. She is enjoying her senior year at Labette County High School. A little Grizzly pride right there. She's in Altamont.
Right, and GAGE RIKER celebrating birthday number 24 this year in Columbus.
Out to Chanute, Miss GEORGETTA SEUSER celebrating her 74th birthday. GEORGETTA, have a marvelous, marvelous birthday.
All right, and David Eddington in Columbus. Happy birthday to you.
Also in Columbus, the Beards celebrating 20 years. Congratulations, Jason and Amanda, and a very happy anniversary.
All right. In Minden Mines, John Doherty celebrating another year wiser. And 2 of our favorite people, right, Michael?
Where's the picture?
Yeah. Daryl and Shirley Thompson, 48 years of wedded bliss. They're in Columbus, Kansas.
Daryl, that is clearly your bad, because Shirley she's flawless, and that's why I clearly point the finger at Daryl right there. Nice job, AT. But you help your parents out, send in a picture. Jiminy Christmas.
I think he gets yelled at.
Congratulations, Daryl and Shirley. You know we love you guys. Happy birthday, happy anniversary to all. Here's where you can send them into birthdays at KOAMTV.com, or you can submit them online at KOAMNewsNow.com as well. Now, here's Tanya Bach with a very important birthday announcement.
That's right. You can be a part of the KOAM Birthday Club by going to our website and signing up. And once you do, you'll get special deals from local businesses. Go to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.